Hello students, as we discussed about haloalkanes and haloarenes in the previous chapter of organic, now let us discuss the second chapter in organic, that is alcohols, phenols and ethers. So in this video, we are going to introduce the alcohols and phenols and its classification. So let us start with the introduction part. First of all, what is an alcohol? Alcohols are represented with an alkyl group and a hydroxyl group OH. That means the hydroxyl group OH is attached on the alkyl group, that is alcohol. When one of the hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by hydroxyl group, then the compound is called as that is alcohol. So let us discuss more about alcohol. So alcohol having a hydroxyl group, that is OH group, and the compound is called as now alcohol because OH group is a functional group. Therefore, the presence of OH group, that is a hydroxyl group, make the compound called alcohol. Similarly, in the case of aromatic compounds also, when we talk about the benzene having 6 number of hydrogen atom. From this, one of the hydrogen is replaced by a hydroxyl group, then the compound formed is called as phenol. So, now phenol, when you distinguish with benzene, you can find that there is one hydroxyl group, that is OH group on the benzene ring. So, now the compound is called as phenol. Let us talk about phenol and the alcohol. As OH group is present on the alkyl group, so we can call such type of compound as aliphatic alcohols. And if the OH group is attached to the benzene ring, then the compound formed is called as phenol, and such type of compounds are called as aromatic alcohol. So we have come up with the two words here, aliphatic alcohols and aromatic alcohols. Because aromatic alcohol, they have a aromatic character because of the benzene ring. Therefore, such type of compound is actually aromatic alcohol. So, let us discuss the classification part of alcohols. Classification. We will classify it into the different categories. First one, that is on the basis of number of OH group. That means how many number of OH groups are there. On the basis of this, we can classify the alcohols into types like monohydric, dihydric, trihydric and so on. That is depending upon the number of OH group. If the OH group, as we will find in the structure, if there is a single OH group, then it is called as monohydric, and if there are two OH group, then it is called a di, because di words relate to two, and if there are three OH group, then the compound is called as trihydric alcohols. Similarly, we can find that in the benzene ring, if one OH is present, then it is monohydric. If two OH are present, then it is called a dihydric. And if three OH groups are present, then it is called as trihydric. So, depending upon the number of a OH group, we have classified this into three types. That is monohydric, dihydric, trihydric and so on. But the OH group on the same carbon more than one is not possible, because if the OH group on the same carbon 2 OH group is present, then it will be causes a removal of water, and because of this one we can say that it results in the formation of aldehyde. So it can be noted that more than one OH group cannot be present on the same carbon atom. Thus, in each cases you can find that OH groups are on the different carbon atom. Next classification, that is on the basis of compounds containing sp3 carbon OH bond. That means the OH group is attached on the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. So it is further classified into three types, that is the alcohols, allylic alcohols and benzylic alcohol. So let us discuss these part in detail. Alcohols are again classified into three types, that is primary, secondary and tertiary. As we have discussed in the case of haloalkanes, depending upon the number of alkyl group, it is classified into primary, secondary, tertiary, which can be represented by 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree respectively. So when you look at the structure here, the OH group is present on the alpha carbon atom and the neighboring carbon atom is called as beta. So there is only one beta carbon atom, therefore the structure is called as 1 degree. When you look at the second structure, in the second structure when you find it out, the OH group is present on this carbon atom, that is alpha carbon, and the alpha carbon is further attached to the alkyl groups, that is represented by R dash and R double dash. That means there are two beta carbon atoms. So beta carbon atom 2 are there. So we can say that the alcohol is called as 2 degree. And similarly, if in the case of if 3 beta carbons are there, then the structure is called as 3 degree alcohol, which can be represented by R3COH. So as in the case of we have discussed in the case of haloalkanes and haloarine, in the same way alcohols are also classified as 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, depending upon the number of alkyl group on the alpha carbon atom. So here are the three structures. You need to identify which one is 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree structures of alcohol. So when you find it out, the first structure, in the first structure, this is the alpha carbon atom and the beta carbon atom is this one. But the next carbon atom, which I am marking with yellow, that is actually gamma carbon atom. So you can find that there is only one beta carbon atom. So we can say that there is only single beta carbon atom. Therefore, the structure is 1 degree. Now look at the second structure. In the second structure, you can find that this carbon atom is called as alpha carbon atom because OH group is attached on this carbon atom, that is alpha. And the neighbor of alpha, this is the neighbor, this one is the neighbor. So there are two neighboring carbon atoms to alpha, that is actually beta carbon atom. So the green dot I've made, that is the beta carbon atom. So you can find it in the structure, there are two beta carbon atom, therefore the structure is 2 degree, that is secondary structure. Now when you find out the third structure, in the third structure you can find it out, this carbon atom is called as alpha and there are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 beta carbon atoms. That means it is a 3 degree structure. That means it is a 3 degree alcohol. So we can say that the first structure is 1 degree, second structure is 2 degree and third structure is 3 degree, depending upon the number of alkyl groups attached to the alpha carbon atoms. Again we have classified, that is allylic alcohol is one of the classification. Allylic carbon are the carbon atoms bonded to the carbon atom that is doubly bonded to another carbon atom. So which carbon atom is called as allylic? As the same case we have already discussed in the case of halides, that is allylic halides, but here it is allylic alcohol. The same case, this carbon atom is called as allylic because this carbon atom is sp3 but the neighboring carbon atom is sp2. That means this carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. Such type of carbon are called as allylic carbon. And if the group, that is a alcoholic group, OH group, is attached on the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, that is this one, it is a sp3 hybridized carbon atom, but which is attached to a sp2 hybridized carbon atom, then the alcohol is called as allylic alcohol. Same as the case of allylic halides. That means this alpha carbon atom is sp3 but the beta carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. So such type of alcohols are called as allylic alcohol. Next is benzylic alcohol. Benzylic alcohol, the hydroxy group is attached on the carbon atom that is a sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This is sp3 hybridized carbon atom, but this sp3 hybridized carbon atom is bonded with a benzene ring. We can find it is bonded with a benzene ring. So that type of compound is called as benzylic alcohol. Benzylic alcohol means when the OH group is attached on the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is attached to a benzene ring, then it is called as benzylic alcohol. It is further classified as 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. When you check the first structure, here this is the alpha carbon atom and here there is 1 beta carbon atom. Therefore, it is 1 degree. Second structure, when you find it out, there is, this one is the alpha and here there is 1 beta carbon, here there is 1 beta carbon. That means there are total 2 beta carbons. Therefore, the structure is 2 degree. When you compare the third structure, in the third structure you can find this is the alpha carbon atom. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 beta carbon atom. That means there are 3 neighboring carbon of alpha. Therefore, the structure is called as 3 degree structure. So, we have classified the benzylic alcohol into 3 types. That is 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. Next classification is on the basis of compound containing sp2 hybridized carbon OH bond. That means here the OH group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. That means doubly bonded carbon atom. It is further classified as vinylic and alcohol and the phenol. Vinylic alcohol, that means when the OH group is directly attached to a sp2 hybridized carbon atom. This is sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Here also you can find this is sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So here OH group is directly attached to the carbon atom. That carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. Such type of alcohols are called as vinylic alcohol. Same as the case of halides. But in the case of halide, in the place of OH we have X. That is the difference here and there. Phenol. Phenol, when the OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring. You can see here the OH group is directly attached to the carbon atom of benzene, then it is called as a phenol. And in this further substitution also there, that means if methyl group is present on the one of the carbon atom of benzene ring, then also it is called as a substituted phenols. So that we'll discuss in the case of naming. Thus we have classified the alcoholic group compounds into different categories. That is, the first category on the basis of OH group we have classified into, if single OH is there, then it is called as mono. If 2 OH is there, then it is called as dihydric. And if 3 OH is there, then it is called as trihydric. And so on. Next we have discussed the classification, that is a classification based on the compound containing sp3 hybridized carbon OH bond, in which we have discussed the three categories: alcohol, which is further classified as primary, secondary, tertiary; allylic alcohol, then benzylic, which have further classified into primary, secondary, tertiary. And on the basis of the compound containing sp2 hybridized carbon OH bond, we have classified this into further two types, that is vinylic and phenol. So in the next video we'll be discussing the nomenclature of alcohols and the different substituted phenol. So thank you everyone.